The facts presented in this trial bear no resemblance to the story that the state told you in opening statement. A 25-year-old who met a brutal death after being chased and killed by residents of a neighborhood who wanted nothing more than to murder him for having the audacity to jog in their neighborhood. Not a single piece of evidence that's been presented to you in this entire trial supports such a hateful and gruesome set of circumstances. Turning Ahmaud Arbery into a victim after the choices that he made does not reflect the reality of what brought Ahmaud Arbery to Satilla Shores in his khaki shorts with no socks to cover his long, dirty toenails. There were two sets of decision makers on February 23rd. It is not just the McMichaels' decisions that led to this tragedy. And it is a tragedy. I see it in your faces, and I have felt it in mine. A young life lost, grieving parents. Greg and Travis didn't have to do anything on February 23rd. Greg could have looked up from his boat cushions, saw Ahmaud Arbery run past, and shrug his shoulders. Maybe call 911, maybe call Officer Rash, maybe text Diego Perez, and the fear and the frustration of this neighborhood would continue. But Greg McMichael's driveway decision wasn't the only decision that set this tragedy in motion. Ahmaud Arbery was not an innocent victim plundering through Larry English's house on February 23rd, just as he wasn't an innocent victim all the other nights, like October 25th, or November 18th, or December 15th, or February 11th. Is he the person responsible for stealing Larry English's expensive boat equipment? I don't know. We don't know. No one investigated that. But can anyone reasonably believe that Ahmaud Arbery was just doing a looky-loo on those nights in what has been described and shown to you as a home drenched in absolute darkness? The judge will instruct you that you must use common sense and reason. Common sense and reason. There was no legitimate reason for Ahmaud Arbery to be plundering through Larry English's house those 4 nights, and again on the afternoon of February 23rd. Ahmaud didn't live there, he didn't work there, he didn't have friends there, he didn't have a girlfriend there, he wasn't hanging out with a friend in that neighborhood who was a friend of a friend, he didn't jog through that neighborhood. He was a recurring nighttime intruder, and that is frightening and unsettling.